Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Men's Health 036. I'm Dr. Sabrina, and today I want to have a real conversation with you. I'm not going to sugarcoat it because what I'm about to share could truly change the way you look at your health, your sleep, and even your manhood. So let me ask you this. Do you find yourself lying in bed at night, tossing and turning, only to wake up just as tired as when you went to sleep? Have you noticed your erections aren't as strong or frequent as they once were? Does your energy feel like it's slipping away day by day, no matter how many vitamins you take or how many naps you sneak in? If you quietly nodded yes, I want you to stay with me. Because what you're experiencing isn't just normal aging. It's not something you should simply accept as your fate. These are warning signs. Red flags from your body telling you that something essential is missing, and without it, your system can't recharge the way it was designed to. And here's the shocking truth. The problem almost always begins at night, while you sleep. Or rather, while you're supposed to be sleeping deeply. If your nightly recovery breaks down, everything else in your body begins to unravel. Your energy, your mood, your strength, your erections, even your ability to feel joy and connection with your partner. I can't tell you how many men come to me with the same story. They say, I go to bed, but I wake up drained. My erections are weaker and sometimes gone altogether. My desire has faded, and I don't feel like myself. My body feels heavy, my mind is foggy, and I'm irritable for no reason. When I look closer, almost every single time I find the same culprit. Their body has lost its ability to fully recover at night. Now, let me paint a picture for you. Imagine two men, both 60 years old. One feels strong, vibrant, confident, and alive. The other feels like he's aged 20 extra years overnight, tired, slow, and disconnected. What separates them? The difference is in their nightly recovery. Because while most people think sleep is just rest, in reality, it's the most important time of the day. During those deep hours, your body performs its critical repairs. Testosterone production surges. Blood vessels in the penis expand and rejuvenate. The prostate reduces inflammation. And deep inside your cells, your mitochondria, the tiny power plants that fuel your energy, recharge your battery for the next day. But here's the scary part. When your sleep is shallow, interrupted, or restless, those processes don't happen the way they should. Your testosterone drops. Your blood vessels weaken. Your erections soften. Your energy drains. And your entire sense of masculinity feels like it's slowly fading away. Now, the question I hear most often is, why does this happen so much more after 60? The answer is both simple and overlooked. Your body loses vital nutrients with age, and the most important one for men is magnesium. Magnesium is not just another mineral. It's the cornerstone of deep, restorative male sleep. Without it, your body can't switch into recovery mode. Instead, it stays in a low-level state of alert, like it's bracing for trouble. You might technically sleep, but you never sink into that deep phase where real recovery takes place. And when recovery fails, every system in your body begins to decline. Now, I want you to really think about this. The signs of magnesium deficiency at night are crystal clear, but most men brush them off. Do any of these sound familiar to you? Waking up 2 or 3 times to urinate. Restless, light sleep with odd dreams or sudden jolts awake. Muscle cramps, twitching legs, or tingling sensations. Opening your eyes in the morning already exhausted. Feeling anxious, short-tempered, or impatient throughout the day. Morning erections that are weak, rare, or gone completely. If you have 2 or more of these symptoms, your body is practically shouting at you that it needs magnesium. But here's another question. Why do older men lose so much of it? There are 2 main reasons. First, our modern food supply is stripped of magnesium. The soil our vegetables, nuts, grains, and seeds grow in is depleted, which means even healthy foods don't carry as much as they used to. Second, as you age, your body absorbs far less magnesium than it once did. So even if you eat right, you're still running a deficit. And that's when the problems creep in: fatigue, erectile issues, poor sleep, heavy mood swings, loss of vitality. Most men think these are just old age, but really, they're the silent scream of a body that can't repair itself. Now, here's the good news. You can restore your magnesium levels, but only if you do it the right way. This is where most men go wrong. You walk into a pharmacy and see magnesium oxide, citrate, chloride, bisglycinate, threonate, and more. They all sound similar, but they're not. Some forms barely absorb at all and just leave you running to the bathroom with diarrhea. So let me make this simple. For men over 60 who want better sleep, stronger erections, higher energy, and sharper focus, there are only two forms you should care about. First, magnesium bisglycinate, sometimes just called glycinate. This form is gentle, highly absorbable, and works directly on your parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body that controls relaxation. It calms you down, loosens tense muscles, opens blood vessels, and reduces anxiety. In short, it sets the stage for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Second, magnesium L-threonate. This is the only form that can cross into your brain. It helps quiet racing thoughts, improve memory, and enhance mental clarity. If you're the type who wakes up at 3 a.m. with your mind spinning, this is the form that helps your brain actually shut down and rest. So how do you take them? The best time is always at night, about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. That's when your body is naturally preparing for rest and magnesium can do its best work. For bisglycinate, the sweet spot is usually 200 to 400 milligrams per night. For L-threonate, you're looking at 1 to 2 grams, which provides about 144 milligrams of actual elemental magnesium. Start low for a few nights, then increase if needed. Take it with warm water or calming tea like chamomile. And one important tip, once you take it, avoid bright screens or harsh lights. Signal to your body that it's nighttime. What happens next is nothing short of remarkable. In the first 3 days, most men fall asleep faster, muscles feel looser, and the heartbeat naturally slows. By days 4 to 7, energy begins to return. Morning erections may come back, and those frustrating bathroom trips in the night start to disappear. After 2 weeks, men often report something they thought was gone forever: 6 to 8 hours of deep sleep, higher libido, less anxiety, and a genuine sense of vitality. And this happens without drugs, without synthetic hormones, without risky side effects. Just giving your body back what it's been starving for. But I also want to warn you about the 3 biggest mistakes men make. First, using cheap forms like magnesium oxide, poor absorption, lots of stomach upset, almost no real benefit. Second, taking magnesium in the morning, it just makes you sluggish and tired during the day. Save it for night. Third, inconsistency. Magnesium works cumulatively. If you skip nights, your body loses rhythm. Stick with it for at least 14 straight nights. Now, some of you might be wondering, what if you're already on medication? For most men, magnesium is completely safe, and it combines well with common prescriptions like blood pressure meds, statins, prostate medications, or mild anxiety treatments. The only caution is if you're on anticoagulants or very strong controlled drugs. In that case, check with your doctor first. And here's a little bonus tip I share with many of my patients. Combine magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6 at night. This trio, often sold as CMA, amplifies testosterone production, enhances muscle recovery, and boosts libido naturally. For men with age-related hormone decline, this combination can make the difference between feeling okay and feeling fully alive again. So here's what I want you to remember. Fatigue, impotence, poor sleep, these are not inevitable parts of aging. They're signs of deficiency, signals from your body crying out for repair. You still have the power to feel strong, vibrant, and masculine, but you need to give your body the right tools to do its job. And that recovery begins every single night with one simple commitment to yourself. I've seen men who thought their lives were over, ashamed of their performance, avoiding intimacy, angry at themselves, even scared to look in the mirror. But when they rebuilt their nightly recovery with magnesium, their lives completely transformed. They didn't just feel younger, they felt reborn. So if this message resonates with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a brother, a friend, or any man you know who deserves to regain his strength and confidence. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll keep bringing you natural, science-backed strategies to help you live the life you deserve. Remember this, Your vitality is not dead. It's only asleep. And with the right care, starting tonight, it can wake up stronger than ever. Disclaimer: this info is based on certified experts and studies for education only. Consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. We use AI avatars for clarity and YouTube compliance.